Hello everyone, and welcome back to Floki's Models. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Bandai kit. It's a Star Wars X-Wing Starfighter Red 5 and 1/72nd scale. Now this is my second time kind of going through this. I had to delete the first video because I was completely confused on what was going on here. Red 5 as I know it was Luke's call sign in Episode 4 A New Hope. Well, I started looking around. First thing I noticed there's no Astromech in the in the picture here. And then just going around the box, I was like, well, that doesn't look like Luke at all. And then reading a little bit more, it's like, oh, it's Rey. So this is from one of the new Disney Star Wars trilogies, which I'm not too into, but either way, it's an X-Wing fighter, and it comes with an Astromech you can put in. It also comes with another pilot, so you don't have to build this up as Rey's, which, and for me, that's good. So let's take a look at what's in the box here. Alright, first sprues we're going to pull out. There's two of these, sprue C. And the first thing, like I said, here is an R2 Astromech Dome. And again, you get two of these because there's two sprues, but it's just the dome. And then it's got two of the laser cannons. Then we got two sets of engines, two sets of cans, and it looks like some landing gear pieces and some ring detail pieces. Again, we get two of them sprues. And next one coming out of the box is sprue B1, and it is some more wing detail pieces, intake, the wings, and the way these are set up, this is like a tube that this part can slide into, and that way you can position them open and close, which I thought was really cool. Then for some reason, I'm not sure the why, but I thought Bandai used to include, an actual standing figure with these kits, but looks like now they just went to the silhouette. Now we still get the seated pilot figure, like I said, and there's a Rey one also in the box that we'll look at later. Let's see, we're going on here. This is the cockpit area, and that's, of course, where the Astromech goes. Let's see, what else is notable on here? Oh, the nose section. There's two different noses, which I'm not sure exactly what the difference entails. And let's see, where is the other one? Oh, that one's up here. Except this one here has three little raised pieces on the bottom, where this one is smooth on the bottom. So next out of the box, sprue A. That includes your top and bottom fuselage, which this has some really great looking detail on it. Clear parts, not sure what this one is supposed to be at all, but it's marked on the instructions as not for use. Got some nice clear canopy parts. Yeah, this is the rear deck parts. That's is that the underneath side? Nope, that's the rear deck. That's behind the Astromech. And then the rear section of the fuselage, main landing gear. This here is the up part of the instrument panel, proton torpedo launchers. And then you got your side detail pieces here, which is already molded in red. Which if you're just a beginner with these kits, that's kind of nice to have. You mold it a different color, but of course, after I get the main body assembled, it's going to get primered one color anyway, and we'll paint these a more accurate shade of red. Or we might do another one. We might do a blue squadron. I'm not really sure yet. Next thing I'm pulling out here is one of the bases. This is just plain, nothing on it. And here's the Ray figure. Let's see if I can get a good focus on it. I don't think it is, in my opinion, it's not as finely detailed as the other pilot figure that comes in the box. A lot of these, they're pretty wonky looking that seems to come in these kits, but these two aren't half bad. Alright. Then this also comes with this water texture base, which is really cool looking. You know, I won't end up using it, but you know, well, that's actually got a nice water effect to it already. What else is in here? Oh, and we have Sprue B2, which is the Canopy. Again, that's got some nice detail on it. And then, like all these kits, it comes with a sheet of, you know, stickers and a sheet of water slide decals, which, yeah, we might not be using. We'll use some of them, but for the most part, I like painting the markings on, so it's easier to weather them that way. Then the instructions. This typical Bandai fold out. Step 1 starts with assembling the wing section, or one of the wing sections. Step 2 is the other wing section. Looks all pretty self-explanatory. Bandai has they do a good job on their instructions and showing their workflow. Then I guess it comes up here for step 3, where you join the two sections together. Then you add some of the detail. No, that looks like just parts to hold the wings together. And then you add the top and bottom fuselage. Oh, actually no, you go down here first. Okay, so it is a little confusing. You gotta pay attention, I guess. And then the top fuselage connects to the bottom end, the wing section there, which goes to step 7. Which then goes to step 8. Then step 9 is you can either have the landing gear up or down. And then step 10 is putting it on one of the bases. Okay, over here we got the parts list. Some of the parts shown, you know, not to be used in this particular one. And then color callouts for this version of Red 5, which I know it's kind of confusing. I don't know why they went with Red 5, which, you know, everyone already knew Red 5 as being, you know, the first call sign that Luke had in the Rebellion. There we go. All in all, this kit, it looks really good. I got it as a Secret Santa gift for one of the forums I'm on, a Scale Plastic Aircraft Modeler, and I'll be building it over there in the group build. But stay tuned, because we're going to be diving right into this kit next. Well, thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for many more videos to come.